Here I am, 8 in the morning, been playing poker all night. What a fucking waste of time that was. But anyway, just want to show you the view, and the sun's coming out. So, life isn't all that bad. It's just that I'm shit at poker. Gotta hold that. So there you go. Ah, fuck it. I should go to bed really, I'm fucked. I can't be bothered. And the sun's coming up, look at that. That's fucking bright that is. It's so bright I have to wear shades. Fortunately, the future isn't the same as the sun. Cheers, have a nice day everyone, goodbye.